In a position to respond to the application, because we are not seized of that matter, and I think the same should not be disturbed beyond that point. On the issue of
in the 6 charges, they are all the accused as charged in the 6 charges confirms that the same are misdemeanors that attract a minimum sentence of up to 3 years. I've had the opportunity to peruse the record in the file number Kiambu 715 of 2021, and noted indeed the accused failed to present himself to court between 29th July to 28th August, a total of 4 dates. The cash bail was forfeited and the matter was withdrawn with warrants of arrest remaining in force. The record shows that the accused had jumped bail in the previous suit. The conduct of the accused clearly goes contrary to the primary consideration for grant of bail, that the accused attendance is secured for hearing. The right to set bail terms, however, is the discretion of the court and must always be exercised depending on the circumstances. In this case, the nature of the offense is minor, and the accused need not serve his sentence while in custody as he awaits the conclusion of the case. The court also notes that police inordinately delayed in arresting the accused person, whereas he knew or ought to have known where to find him, being a public figure. With the current ongoings, however, the court believes the accused has learned his lesson that the law does not forget. And this event, and in order to secure his attendance, the accused is hereby released on conditional and substantive bond terms as follows. Bond of Kenya shillings 1 million with one surety of a similar amount, or cash bail of 500,000. The accused will stand to lose this amount should he fail to attend court religiously. Aggrieved parties have a right of appeal.
As indicated previously, that we had appeared for a different offense, a alleged offense. The DCI confiscated our client's funds. As days went by, they dropped those proposed charges. I say so because, Your Honor, those proceedings have formed the basis of these proceedings. Those files have found themselves before you, and the court can grant that order in pursuit of sustaining our client's rights. The DCI sent has not indicated, or they have not shown the reason why they should continue holding our client's phone, and therefore is not able to transact business, and the most important business of paying the defense counsels. So that, Your Honor, the release of that phone will facilitate our ability to earn a livelihood. You're most obliged.
Your Honor, we thank you for the reasonable bail times. However, Your Honor, as you have observed, the accused person did not show up in court, and it took a long time for him to be brought back here.
Your Honor, I have to report that Mr. Mango is telling me as well as the CEO, so I cannot comment on it. And I will ask the court also to disregard that, because the police has not served me with any, has not brought any file for us to consider and make a decision.
And I think the same should not be disturbed beyond that point. On the issue of currently pending before the DCI, and therefore we an appropriate forum or make an appropriate application beside this case, seeking the
Issue of the forms indeed does not form part of the proceedings before this court. The parties can file an appropriate application that can be effectively responded to by the prosecution or the DCI. The bond term shall remain as is unless reviewed by the trial court or the High Court. Parties have a right of appeal on that one. And this matter is allocated to Court 5 for hearing and determination, mentioned 5th of March.
You have also been given an opportunity to read. You have also to ensure that you don't give people opportunity to achieve their mischievous schemes. Yes? So while we have problems with the way things are being done, Gachagua also created an avenue for them to come and, give him problems. All those utterances that he had across were unnecessary. Sasa anatuweka sisi kwa shida sisi wote. Viongozi watumie mdomo yao kwa njia ambayo haitatumiwa kuarima.
Turenda kuga ta bunge aria me thutha wa rigathi wa Gachagua kwina freedom ya association na koguo no ukorwo na ngwataniro na President Ruto kana Gachagua kana Raila kana mundu uri ungienda. Ithuĩ twe thutha wa rigathi wa Gachagua turauga tutige kuhahurwo kana guikirio ituanda kana kunyitwo uguo bunge ta Koimburi maranyitwo rucine makanyitwo hwaini tutige kunyitwo twitikirio turute wira witu tondu no muhaka tugukosoa thirikari uhoro wa kamiti twakorwo ni ithu tumenanite na Mheshimiwa Ruto. It is us as Rigathi's brigade na koguo ithu tumenanite ni ithu agiriire eherie ite-ini uria erigiriire kweheria ona ta kuria National Assembly. No uguo ti kuga andu aria mamuikiirie kura icio ni cieherete. He is still the president courtesy of the votes he got in 2022.